Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find this option, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we should have the graph that will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can tap on it and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the records of particular days of the week. You can compare them if you've got enough data, obviously. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And after tapping on the specific day, your device will show you the list of used apps with specific time you've spent on them. Moreover, if you want to, you can also tap on the specific app, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Moreover, after getting back to this section here, and after deciding that you're spending too much time on the specific app, for example, you can swipe down and localize ways to disconnect. I will not discuss all of them, but I just wanted to draw attention to this section because you can really limit the time you're spending on the screen. So for example, we can set the app timers. So let's pretend I'm spending too much time on the camera. All you need to do is to find it in the list and tap on this hourglass icon, and now you can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app for 30 minutes during a day, and after that time the app will be blocked. If you want to and you'd like to be more restrictive, you can set it to 0 minutes. And let me find the camera icon, which is right here. As you can see, it's a little bit, maybe not blacked out, but it is displayed in the grayscale. It is a little bit transparent, and after trying to open it, we've got this information that the camera is paused. Obviously, it is not the perfect way, but I think that it's still a great first step into managing your screen time. Obviously, you can quickly turn the timer off. Just go to the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls again, go to App Timers, and here you can quickly turn off the timer by tapping on this trash bin icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.